the media, or in his words, would be given a spin. The president also admonished the police officers at this event to disregard the criticisms against them by human rights advocates, even going so far as to saying human rights is the antithesis of the government. Earlier, President Duterte, in a separate event, said that he would like to kill 3 million drug addicts in the Philippines in the same way that Hitler killed 3 million Jews during the Holocaust. President Duterte is still 3 million Jews during.
And you killed several soldiers. You bombed the whole cities of Iraq. Now it is a destroyed country. Napagtripan ninyo si Gaddafi, you had him deposed from his throne. So where is Libya now? There is no Republic of Libya. If there is, it's a ragtag. Ayaw ninyo si Saddam because Saddam was a strong one. Ayaw ninyo kay Libya because he was a strong man. There's another strong one. But my God, do not destroy it altogether. Naginita nyo ang Iran on, hindi nyo kaya kasi may nuclear bomb na eh. Sasabog talaga yung Middle East. Takot sila dyan kasi pasabugin yung Middle East. Then, kasali lahat. Ngayon si Assad, strongman, ayaw ninyo. Assad is supported passionately by the Russians and the Chinese. So kaya hindi nyo matapos-tapos ang gera. Every day, look at on TV CNN. Every day, bata. And who created the mess there? You. Many years ago, you went to the Middle East. Italian, German, American, British. You colonized the whole of the pinagpartition ninyo lahat. When the time came, you divided the Middle East into countries. Mga by tribes. Hindi ba yan? Ngayon, sumasabog. So where is peace there? Pumunta ko ng Vietnam. You had your honor ripped in front of the world. Yung details between the balls of your takot kayo, I went to Vietnam. It's a beautiful country. For those countries who went separate ways from their colonizer, they are improving, and it's a beautiful land. But how many bombs did you drop in Cambodia? Almost 5 million bombs. Kaya ang Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, kampi talaga sa akin. Pati Chinese. Look at the statements coming out from their mouth. We support President Duterte in his campaign against illegal drugs. Kayo, hindi ninyo kaya. Me, I will not allow anybody to destroy my country. Magkasala na kayo naman ka sa akin, wag lang yung sa bayan. Hindi tayo magkaintindihan dyan. Kasi mahal ko ang bayan ko. Mahal ko rin yung mga pulis. Lalo na policeman. Mahal ko rin. Ang alam magmahal ako ng pulis na lalaki, hindi man ang bakla. Noon, hindi na ngayon. Okay, you'll have your 1 million and magsiuwi na kayo bukas. That's medyo bong. Ano tayo? Magpa-hold up ka muna ng bangko dyan. Kailangan na ito mo? authorize your per diems tonight, I will pay your per diems tonight, 2,000 each. Pati kayong mga naghanap ng lalaki, so I cannot give all of you this privilege because it's very limited. But tingnan niyo mabuti, it's a Glock. So, ito yung gamitin ninyo pag barilin ninyo yung boyfriend mo at asawa mo. Yung issue sa gobyerno, pang kriminal yon. Ito pag niloko ka ng asawa mo, lalo na pulis. Mga pulis, tarantado talaga yan. Ito ang gamitin ninyo. Ha? Okay. Now let me read. Congratulations. Kasi kaibigan ko ito si Erme. Trust Trade. The one who supplied the... You have just been awarded, kasi alam mo, sabi niya, sige, ito na lang, kasi siya ang nag-supply. Sabi niya, okay, ito na, pamigay mo na. You have just been awarded with 1 unit Glock 30, 45 ACP, guaranteed to destroy the balls of your husbands and boyfriends. This is to certify that this unit is yours for free on the occasion of President Rodrigo Duterte Roa. Grateful recognition, invaluable contribution to the fight against drugs and criminality. Courtesy, Trust Trade. May tatlo ako dito. And if you do not want a caliber, usually ang army kasi ayaw ng, alam mo, they have this fascination about 45 eh. But kasi ito ang blast nito ang 45. You might opt to get a 9mm. Depende, pareho lang naman ang presyon niyan eh. But ito, this is actually part of the, alam mo, pag mag-import ka and you use sila, may extra yan for the malfunctions and everything. O palitan na defective ang unit. Pero ito yung nasobra ninyo na may naiwan. Ay, ako, hindi ako baski kape, hindi pa ako mayaya sa labas. Eh. Sabi niya, ito na lang, Mayor, para, sabi ko, sige, salamat. So, tatlo lang kasi ito, rapol. Anak ng puso. Pulis talaga. Bong. Pantay ka, kaya itong mga Ilocana, mag-inom talaga to. Mangita ni karog, either kambing or aso. To. Command conference, usual. Ako kung ano yung inyo talaga. Hindi ako that's why umabot. I never lost an election. Umabot ako sa presidency. Wala akong inyo. Wala akong yung... Pero minsan, mag-command conference, ganon. Salita ako, guidance, instruction, you stay a while, I'm going home. So meron yung di support to the police. Yung ganon. Di si Bong magpapirma. Pero ng gobyerno yan. So the yellow sheet of paper, perma. Yung kay Bong Parker, supplied yung, nakaganon yung Parker bullpen, ha? Ikot yan sa pulis. Basta pulis, ha? Militar, hindi. Ikot yan. Pagkatapos yan, pagdating panda na. Meron pa akong witness noon, ha? Korte. Was there any written document executed by you narrating the events that afternoon sa Toril shooting? Yes, sir. Can you produce it here? Do you have it with you? Alam mo ang sagot ng gago? Sabi niya, Piskal, ano yung report o yung totoo talaga? Makuyapan ko. Yung, Piskal, dalawang apilabit. Yung totoo, yun ang sa Alam mo, sa totoo lang, in fairness to the others, maswerte talaga ang Pilipinas. Ako ang nanalo. Nobody yung kaming apat, wag na lang yun. Kayong remaining kaming. Ako lang ang makahawak talaga ng pulis. Ako makabuso ako. You oust me, okay, but ako ba sa trabaho? Ako lang ang makapagbigay ng order na salita na maniwala ang pulis. Iba? Kasi inaabuso nila ang pulis. Binhayaan, magkaletse-letse. Kaya ang pulis walang loyalty. Ako, I'm not asking for your personal loyalty. I do not need it, actually. Just reserve it for your country, for the flag, for the Constitution. Ako, okay na ako. Kaya sabi ko, honor, life, if I go, but there is one request that I would really earnestly ask of you. This is not personal. If the problem of drugs, because by the sheer magnitude of the contamination, it will take years. If this problem would outlast me, for one reason or another, mawala ako, mamatay ako, ganon, this is one request from your Commander-in-Chief. Huwag ninyong hayaan ang bayan. See to it na mag-usap na lang kayong lahat, police, pati military, na whoever is there, inconsequential yan, kasi by election naman to. Pero, alam niyo, ilang mayors na dumaan na sa buhay ninyo? Ilang presidente ang nadaanan ninyo, kayong mga senior? It was not until I became president, piniga ko talaga kayo. At yung mga generals ninyo, pinagsisiba ko. The truth lumabas. This is your country. If it is destroyed, if it runs into a gamut of so many historical in proportion, patay ang Pilipino. Patay. Given the kanya-kanya tayo. You from Luzon, Ilocano, hindi naman tayo magkaintindihan. Mag-gets ko yung ano ninyo. Kayong mga Moro. Kung Maranao ka, mag-gets ko because my lola is in Maranao. Ang lolo ko Maguindanao sa mother side. Pati papa ko Cebuano. So kung tanungin mo ako, I never lived in Cebu even for a moment. Ano lang talaga? So because we trace our lineage for the father. So magtanong niya anak Bisaya. Actually, that is my mixture. So huwag ninyong hayaan lang. Hindi tayo makaintindihan. Iba ang ating ugali, salita, idiosyncrasies and all. Even the food, how we cook it. But, alam mo, if you want just one, you have to stick to it. Kung gusto ninyo isa lang. Otherwise, maghiwalay-hiwalay tayo. But our forefathers agreed at one time in our history to talk, to establish a nation. It included the Moro. Meron noon. Sabi mo, hindi man amin, no. we have to establish only one, protect one nation. Mahalin ninyo to, but the enormity aside of the problem sa drugs, alam ninyo, police kayo. Ilang mayors duman, ilang mayors nasabit, ilang mayors na abusado, ilang governors. Kita mo man yan, kayo, pag nandyan na ang mga ulol, sigaw-sigaw, police yan. Mga ano yan sila, they consider themselves a class above the ordinary. That is the problem in this country. Once a man gets a position in government, nag-iiba ang anyo. Tigas na, then he starts with an adventure. By the year end, he has a cruiser, gano'n. Anak na, pati yung inyong gasolina, lahat nawawala. Pati yung allowance ninyo, wala. But it will not happen during my time. As a matter of fact, you will feel it in your, you can see it in your pay. Dagdag na ang sweldo. By next year, dublado na talaga sweldo nila. Wala akong hininga. I said, I am not asking for any. Kaya kong sarili ko ipagtanggol. And whatever happens to me, I've always insisted all along that what happens to you is your destiny. Never thought I'd make it as president. So pag namatay ako, na-assassinate ako, o natanggal ako, that is part of my destiny. So I don't give a... Kaya ako kasi makipag-usap sa NPA, pumunta doon sa mga kampo ng ating mga Moro brothers. Naplansya ko lahat except this one thing. Bago nga. May in the Moro land, meron talagang ayaw. And so these are the scholars and the young guys. Sabi, ayaw talaga eh. Ayaw ng ganitong federal system because they want a nation of their own. Para lang, alis na ako. Yung 1521, Magellan landed in Leyte. Brought with him the cannons, gunpowder, and the muskets, that's what the rifle of the times, and the weapons, mga swords. They were able to conquer the Visayas kasi patak-patak pag ano, there was no one contiguous except in Luzon. But then again, because of the superiority of the firepower, we lost our native sovereignty to the Spaniards. They occupied this land for 400 years. But they were looking at Mindanao dito because Mindanao was really below the sense at the time, na bakit walang bagyo dito? And you don't have to worry about planting ang anyo, gano'n. Talaga tumutog. So, yung Spaniards, nagbirada sila. And maybe in the few rounds, because of the cannons, they were able to overwhelm the Moro people. But on the long, they could only establish Fort Pilar in Zamboanga. But the Moro continued to fight. So, massacre after massacre yan. When the Americans came, stayed here for 50 years because Spain lost in the American-Spanish War. One of the concessions na concede was itong Mindanao. Hindi nila makuha. Lumalaban talaga. Ayaw talaga. Why? Unlike in the Visayas and Luzon, walang poste. But here in Mindanao, there was already a post of unity lahat. And what was it? Islam. Pasukan mo ng the Moors and the Crusades, same. Mga Crusades noon sa Middle East, same. So dito they resisted. And along the way, the Americans, sila yung kasalanan nila, pinakukunan nila ng pictures. And one, yung the indecency of these guys, one of yung mga postal cards nila, yung magkanong uso pa yan, kagano itong Amerikano nakatapak sa ng babae, naked, with pile of bodies there. Kaya makita nila yan, sabi nila, oh, there was this ANC. Sabi nila, no, si Duterte is wrong, sila si Tatad, sila. Yung mas mga marunong, sila Lozano. But actually, nasagot na yan, and it did not really come from me. Sabi ko, why? Hindi tayo. Sinabi ko na, no guys, that was century ago. 100 years. Ang sagot nila, scholar, it is happening until now. And for as long as see the Americans in the military camps, we will not talk to you. We will talk to you, but not about negotiations of peace. Tapos sila yung, no, there are so many, lumabas na sa, sa Facebook, piles of bodies in yung mga massacre. And in Samar, sa yung Balangiga, they took the Belfry doon sa ayan sa uli. But at that time when the massacre occurred, 10 years old up, pinatay nila. Where did we get the photo? American Archives. Sakali. May mga enterprising talaga na because sila yung nagpipicture-picture. Kasalanan nila. Yun ang totoo. Sinabi nila si Duterte, anti-Americana. Sabi ko, maybe at one time, if I can convince them, if I can get together with them in a table, I would ask the Americans to leave Mindanao. I never said Philippines. You reviewed it. Itong media, Sus Mariusep. But that's why you believe in what you want to believe. Say it what you want to say. I don't give a shit. Kasi ganoon rin eh. Paano sabihin mo, iba ang lumalabas. That's why. So we have a problem here. Ang Abu Sayyaf, no way that I will talk to them. And sila rin, ayaw rin talaga. Ang asang lang sana, I said, kung hindi tayo pwedeng mag-usap, sabi ko sa Moro, then at least we minimize this slaughter. Kung maaari lang. Kung maaari lang. We are enjoying tingnan mo nung walang NPA. But maswerte kayong taga Davao. Kaya ang taga Davao na police, in and out sila. Kung minsan na hostage, pero, when I start to blow, release ka agad yan. Kasi we are on the same wavelength sa paningin namin sa buhay. But it does not mean to say that I am a member, that I want to destroy my country by armed struggle. Nakalukuhan yan. Nandito lang ako. I'm a socialist. I'm a leftist. Correct. But yun lang ang dynamics ko sa buhay. Kasi to say that I will also participate in destroying my country. Lalo na yung president ako. So, yun ang ko sa inyo. Do not abandon that. Do not ever, wag yun kayong magkumpiyansa. Na pag nawala ako, I will just leave the problem hanging. It will destroy the generations to come. Tandaan ninyo yan. So with this will be the last. Marami ditong ito, puro barangay, kapte, anak no. SPO1, 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 Pangasinan, SPO1, ARM, QCPD, QCPD, Leyte, Northern Samar, Leyte, Ormoc, Samar, Ormoc, Kalinan, yan ang magkwento ninyo. So, good luck. Magbarilan kayo nito. I expect that you will do your duty and that you have to survive, you have to kill. I can understand that. And I am just at your side, at your back, and you will be protected. Otherwise, dadive tayo nito kasi wala na magtrabaho. Ba't bigyan mo importante? Kita mo mga polis. Alam mo kasi ang nakasira, alam mo politika. Pag mayor na, meron na siyang bodyguard na polis 5, dagdagan pa ng military ng 3. He moves around like a warlord talaga. Tapos tigas. Huwag yan. Kayo naman mga pulis, huwag yan, tao ni mayor na yan. Yan makuha natin dyan. O kita mo, nung dumating ako, sabi ko, putang ina ninyo. Kayong mga pulis, you return to your mother unit. Arme, umuwi kayo doon sa kampo. Sabi ko sa mga mayor ko, I'll give you 24 hours. Or I will kill you. Dagan-dagan sa krami, singot-singot. Wala. Nawala pa ka-superstar sa mga putang ina. Bullshit-bullshitin. Sabi ko, wala akong army. Wala, umalis kayo dyan. Wala na silang protection. Now they feel naked. O ngayon alam nila, sisilipin ko yung intelligence fund din yun. Silipin ko yung discretionary fund din. Bakit nawala ang pera ng tao? Diyan. Yung intelligence fund yan, diretso yan. Sabi ko, sisilipin ko yan. Pag wala akong nakita na doon na umaabot doon, pag tanong ko sa isang presidente ka dito, anong naibigay mo sa mo? Pagka wala, bantay ko si taas. Basta kung ano lang yung tama, especially graft and corruption. Magtiis muna tayo. I will give you everything you need to defeat the enemy. And I will not. Sabi ko sa inyo, hospital, kita mo hospital ninyo, punta ako sa AFP Center, mayroon rin ang hospital ninyo. Ito sa hospital, ha? Walang MRI. Yung sa ibang probinsya, kalit-liit na hospital, may MRI. Binilihan ko kayo ng X-ray, gamma ray, Kasi karamihan sa inyo yung mga kidney. I gave you about a new building. 5 billion. Diretso na, sabi ko kay Lorenzana na, huwag na siya makita yung biding-biding, corruption yan. Pero police man ang bilo na, pwede mo kayo doon. Well, but anyway, let me see, kasi unahin ko yung mga kampo-kampo. Kawawa kasi. And I said that na-convert yung presidential jet sa ginawa kong ambulance. Pagka may enkwentro at maraming losses, kailangan gamitin na yun. Baski 2, 3 o 1. I want my soldiers alive. Tsaka dito wala nga. Pag-alaman ko, I take care. Tanongin mo pa. Sa ospital. Para magsabi, sir, may problema ako. Bakit? Buntis ako. Tapos, sir, pulis man po yung nakapabuntis ako. Halika, pulis, dali. Ngayon ang mga, may gusto pa sa ako ikwento sa inyo? But can you take it? Okay. Isang araw, may pumuntang alam nito nila, isang araw, umabot yan sa inyo, may babaeng dumating, stewardess ng Katay. Sabi niya, iyak siya. Iiwanan ako, gipabuntisan ako, tapos sumama ng isang pulis sa Region 12. Alam niyo to? Alam niyo yan.